Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to make minimum of $50 using Google Map. So guys, if you're new to my YouTube channel, please make sure you smash the subscribe button, like this video and share so that other people can benefit from this great video you're about to watch. So guys, we all know that the Google Map is widely used even here in Nigeria. About 60 to 70% of the Nigeria population uses Google Map on a daily basis. So basically in this video, I'll be leaving no stone unturned. I'm going to be showing you guys how to make money, a minimum of $50 literally every day from Google Map. Make sure you follow this video from the beginning to the end. First of all, what you need to do is to go to Google and then type Google Map. Just go ahead and then type Google Map. So the first thing you need to do is to go ahead and then click on this link, and you should have this. So guys, right now we have the Google Map page, which definitely immediately you open this, it should show you your current location. Wherever you are in the country, Google Map automatically detects your location, and whenever you're going out, it automatically helps you detect where you are currently in, and this makes it easier for us to make money on this platform, right? So here we have lots of places in a particular location, and we have restaurants, we have hotel, we have things to do, museum, transit, pharmacies, and so on, guys. So the first thing I'm going to do right now is to look for popular or booming businesses in my country. So for instance, in Nigeria, if we're looking for a booming business in Nigeria, we can look at the hair and wig, because looking at the hair and wig, the price of hair and wig, even on Jumia, let's just go ahead and check the price of hair and wig on Jumia. I'll just go ahead and then type hair and wig, and then I'll hit enter, and then I'm just going to visit the Jumia website. Just going to visit Jumia to get the current hair and wig price. So guys, I'll just head up to my Google and then go ahead and then type bone straight price here in Nigeria. So I'll just go to this first result instead of the Jumia. Instead of Jumia, I'll go to this first result, and then we have the prices. This says 115,000 naira. This says 111,000 naira for a bone straight hair. We have this Chinese bone straight hair, 74,000 naira. This also says 110. So there's no doubt that here in Nigeria we wear wigs a lot, so this is a trending market. So the next thing you're going to just do is come over to Google Map. You must not be restricted to hair and wig. Look for a booming market in your country, then go ahead and then type hair and wig on Google. So guys, so here I have hair and wig companies that have listed their business online. So I have lots of them here. I have Surely Grace Beauty, I have Honey K's hair, I have K and K wig, exotic hair. Then I'm just going to scroll down, and this has over 4.0 star review, 5.0 star review. This has 4.3 star review, and this shows that they are actually doing well. And then this has 5.0 star review. This has 4.7 star review. So also, guys, if you notice, we have their phone number on the results page. So what I'm going to be looking out for is those companies that do not have a review. This has over 57 review, because we all know that the Google Map tends to bring results based on popular reviews and how your reviews are interesting. So I'm just going to look at this. It says no review, guys. I'm going to click on this, and then I'm going to wait while it shows me details of this, and then I'm going to scroll down, and this should give me a phone number I can be able to reach out to. Unfortunately, there are no phone number here. I'll just go ahead and then look for others with no reviews, guys. So guys, I have this with no reviews, which has his phone number, and then great, guys. So the next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and then reach out to this phone number. So I'm going to propose my business to them and tell them that I can help them get reviews. We all know that the more reviews you get on this Google Map, the more people tend to trust you, and then the more you make more sales. So I'll go ahead and then call them, and I'll send them a WhatsApp message and then tell them that I can get them reviews for $50. So guys, when you've chat them up and you guys have agreed, and then you've told them that you can get them reviews, guys, for $50, I'm going to show you where you can get reviews from for as low as $10. So you're making profit of almost $40 or more than $40. So guys, the next thing we are going to do is to head over to sproutgigs.com and then come over to Explore Gigs. Explore Gigs is basically an online marketplace that connects freelancers and business owners around the world with easy to do tasks. So all you need to do is to come over to Sprout Gig and then post this task that you need a Google review. So guys, all you just need to do on Sprout Gig is to go ahead and then post this gig. You're going to see lots of people who are ready to do your task. So guys, these are people who are willing to do your task. So all you need to do is to go ahead and then sign up, create a freelancer account. You go ahead and then post this task that I need a Google review. You can say, okay, I need 40 Google reviews, and then you set a price. Let's say for instance you're setting a price or estimated budget for $3. So guys, after that you go ahead and then post this job on Sprout Gig, and then you set an estimated budget you want for that task. As you can see, we have a lot of people who are ready to offer services for as low as $3. So you can even post this task for as low as $1.6, and then people will be ready to do these reviews for you. And then imagine getting 40 reviews or so for like 1 point something or $2. That is way cheaper, and then you're charging the clients about $50. So guys, as for me, I found a company which I want to reach out to. So you can use the template I'm going to be using to compose this text. So let's do it. So guys, here's the text I'm sending to this client I just find on Google, and I hope this works out well. In my next video, if guys want it, which I'm going to be showing you guys how to use Sprout Gig, I might be showing you guys how this chat goes. So I say, hello, my name is Prince. I found your business on Google and I would love to help your business boost more sales and increase visibility. I can build your Google reviews that will make your business stand out. Go ahead and then try this out, and then let's see the results, and let's see if this works for you. And if it works for you, come back to the comment section and give me a thumb up. And if it doesn't, come back to the comment section and let me know what you did differently or what you did wrongly, guys. This is basically how you can make money on Google Map. So guys, this is the end of this video. If you know you enjoyed this video and you want a video on how to use Sprout Gig, how to set up a gig, how to post gig, and so on, because this video is not for Sprout Gig, I want to make this video as short as possible. Kindly let me know in the comment section and I'll create an explicit video on how to use it, guys. See you guys in my next video. Bye for now.